Our viewing behavior determines what social media shows to the world. If we watch value-added content, we will make a difference in what is shown to our children and the next generation. It is important to view and to pay attention to what we are watching on all social media platforms.
Yeah, I want to talk about a very unusual idea or a very unusual practice. I've changed my attitude towards these projects that I'm doing, to tape them, to put them up on YouTube. And one of my criteria is to make money, is to get YouTube to pay for these projects. Yeah, I have this real advantage of having this showcase here that I can show off a lot of things. I can experiment with different plant material. I can do all these things, and hopefully YouTube will contribute to the cost of the experimentation. It's a very interesting concept, and it seems to be working. And I'm going to push it a little bit farther, making things that you normally wouldn't consider. And hopefully I can get an audience that will appreciate that level of experimentation. We're going to try to make things that other people can make very easy. So this idea of do-it-yourself friendly is going to be the focus of our channel in the future. We're going to hopefully have these gardens even get more exaggerated, growing even faster. And we'll have this great setting to make a cement planter in. We'll have a great setting to make a fountain, whatever it may be. We'll have this beautiful backdrop here in Ecuador to make it happen. Get them to say, okay, we're going to promote this video about this fake rock, and it's going to pay for itself. So I've got 2 or 3 people helping me for 1 or 2 hours. I've got $10 worth of material, and I make a profit by showing the technique on YouTube. So it's a very interesting concept of allowing YouTube to pay for your development of a big project like this. And it's been working out so far. I'm very satisfied with what we're doing here in terms of showing off some creative projects, some creative ideas, and moving in such a way forward that we can keep doing more and more things on this property. And the more money I make, the more crazy and outrageous the ideas are going to get. Yeah, I've also decided to add really cool art projects to our channel. We're going to do some really outrageous things that will pay for themselves, hopefully. And we're continuously going to try to make more and more advanced technical videos that are interesting and very provocative. And I'm hoping that a lot of do-it-yourselfers are encouraged to do things to make beautiful products that don't cost a fortune. One of our big trends now is cement fabrics. And these cement fabrics allow you to make paper-thin planters. We've got a bunch of videos on it already. And all these projects that we're doing, from decorating to, we're going to do some fountains. We're going to do all this crazy stuff because we can afford to do it, because I'm making enough money on YouTube to allow me to be creative in a way I normally wouldn't. Yeah, this idea of making money on YouTube by doing projects that are profitable is very feasible here in this country, in Ecuador, because first of all, we have 365 days of decent weather. It never gets above 20 degrees, but as you can see, doesn't matter what you put in the ground here, it will grow. So when the other gardening channels are in the middle of November and December, I'm in my full swing here, making these videos that are showing this lush growth. So this idea of being able to show off this incredible growth that happens here is a real advantage to me. And it allows me to buy plant material and to experiment and to do things I normally wouldn't do, because no matter what you do here, it is so vigorous here that everything looks good on film and on camera. So This idea of making money on YouTube to create more projects is a very feasible undertaking. And there's a lot of things that I want to do. I want to do a lot more experimental things, like, for example, gluing this arch together by grafting it, whatever it may be, all these things that you can do, buying plant material that is very unusual, and harvesting food, creating this idea that you can actually live off the land, this food forest idea. I've planted everything in such a way that I've got fruit trees every 6 meters, 4 meters, or taller trees, and everything is filling in after only 3.5 years of planting these trees. So it's crazy what's going on here. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more interesting things that we're going to do. Our channel will be definitely worthwhile watching and keeping in touch with. Yeah, a lot of new YouTubers will say, well, if I can get YouTube to pay for the work that I'm going to do, what a great concept. I'm actually making money and getting stuff done. The big problem is you need a catalog. You need a quantity of videos. For example, my specialty seems to be concrete planters, cement planters, fabric planters, colorful planters. That seems to be my niche that is doing well for me on YouTube. Expanding into different other categories, my gardening angle has died back incredibly since they've classified me as a planter guy. So you have to be very careful on how you structure your channel, because to make money at it, you almost have to stay in that niche that they've assigned you. Concrete planters, cement planters, it really isn't satisfying being stuck in one niche. But it seems if you're after the money, that is the best way to do it, is to focus on a very small category of activities that your viewers are going to identify you with. So YouTube always talks about this algorithm being really dedicated and very small, and it is true. You are basically the channel that you have made yourself into. What it means is if you have made a lot of videos on planters and they're doing well, well, you're the planter guy. That's how it works out. So making money here on YouTube is a very interesting concept, because my channel is very small, but I'm still doing pretty good, because the the payout for how-to videos is quite high, quite reasonable, and you can make good money doing it that way.